I wanna be a 10 out of 10, but I can't stand without you. I wanna be a 10 out of 10, yeah. Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy Magnificent back here with your guitar interpretations, and today we're doing Troy Sivan 10 out of 10. Alright? Very easy song. We're not even using the capo for this. Just make sure your guitars are starting tuning, and we're playing A. Right, that's your verse, okay? And I'm strumming down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up, up. Now, here's the trick on holding the chords. A major and D major, those are the bass chords, but here's how he's playing it, okay? We have A, right, where we're plucking 5 and 4 simultaneously, right? And then we go to 3, and then we go back to 2, okay? So it's simultaneously 5 and 2, and then we go to 3, 2, okay? And then we do that twice, so. And then we let go of string number 4, right? And then we pluck string number 4 because that's the bass for D major, right? But we're still holding strings 3 and 2 off the 2nd fret as though we're holding A. We just let go of string number 4, right? To play once, and then we open string number 2 to remain with only string number 3, okay? And we're still plucking, and this time we're plucking string number 4 and 2 simultaneously, and then we revert to 3, back to 2, so that's okay. So let's do A twice, and then we let go. Now we're playing 4th string, right, as our bass, just once, and then we go, we open again. You got that? So A, open, sorry, A, use D for the bass, and then open, and that's it for the verse, okay? And then for the chorus, we're playing D7, I wanna be a 10 out of 10, E major, A major, and then D major, okay? Now this part is very simple. The D7 chord is 0, 2, 0, 2, 3, 0. You can hold it as a B minor 7, okay? If you're not familiar with the chords that I'm using, you can check out my chord video. It's on this channel. If you can't find it, I can link it in the comment section below. Otherwise, yeah, it is the detailed illustration of the chords, so you can learn them and then come back here. So I wanna be a 10 out of 10, but I can't be a 0 without you. So D7, E major, A major, and then D, okay? And then there's a part where the chords dramatically change. That should be the bridge, right? Let me just listen to that part. I know the chords, but I just need to make sure I'm strumming them the right way, okay? So that part is, that's F to G. There will be dark days, oh, na, 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 na. There will be dark days, oh, F to G, right? And then he goes, yeah, and then goes right back into, I wanna be a 10 out of 10, na, 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 na. And that's pretty much the whole song, guys. If you're not familiar with the chords, again, check out my chord video. Otherwise, do subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Leave a like and share the video if it helped you. And I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.